Welcome to Support Navigator. In this video, we'll break down how SNAP, also known as food stamps, works in your state and how to apply. We get this question a lot: how do I know if I qualify? Don't worry, we'll walk you through it step by step. SNAP began during the Great Depression to support struggling Americans. Over time, it grew into a vital program serving over 40 million people each year. It's one of the strongest tools we have to fight hunger today. SNAP is a government program that helps low-income individuals and families afford groceries. Let's take a closer look at what SNAP does and doesn't cover. Every month, you get benefits loaded onto an EBT card, which works like a debit card and can be used at approved grocery stores, farmers markets, and even online in some areas. This support ensures that people can access nutritious food, even during tough financial times. SNAP benefits can be used to buy fruits and vegetables, meat, poultry, fish, dairy products, bread, cereal, and non-alcoholic beverages. Let's break it down. Here's what you're actually allowed to buy using SNAP. SNAP can't be used for alcohol, tobacco, hot foods, or household items like soap or paper goods. It's strictly for groceries you prepare at home. You can use your EBT card at grocery stores and some online retailers, such as Amazon or Walmart Grocery. Some farmers markets also accept EBT and might offer extra discounts on fresh produce. Each state is different, so check your local options. Eligibility depends on household income, number of people in the household, citizenship or immigration status, work requirements for certain age groups. Many people assume SNAP is only for the unemployed, but that's not true. Most recipients are working families, older adults on fixed incomes, or people with disabilities. Even full-time workers earning low wages may qualify. Most states use gross and net income limits based on the federal poverty level. If you're already receiving other benefits like SSI, TANF, or Medicaid, you may automatically qualify. Each state runs its own SNAP program, so the application process may vary. However, in most cases, you can apply in 3 ways: online through your state's social services website, over the phone, or by visiting your local SNAP office in person. One small mistake on your application can lead to delays or denial. Make sure names match exactly across documents, and always submit proof of your income and expenses. If you're unsure, many community centers offer free help with SNAP applications. To apply, you'll need documents like proof of income, rent or utility bills, and ID. If more people live in your household, you may also need their details. In some states, reporting medical expenses can increase your benefits, especially for seniors or people with disabilities. So it's a good idea to gather all supporting documents before you start the process. Here's a tip: take photos of your documents or scan them. Submitting everything online is usually faster and safer. And remember to send all your papers together to avoid delays. Don't forget, if your documents are incomplete or unclear, your application might be delayed or denied. Double-check everything before hitting submit. Moving to another state? You'll need to reapply for SNAP through your new state's agency. Benefits don't automatically transfer, so notify your old office before the move and apply as soon as you settle in. Once you apply, your case will be reviewed. This can take a few days to a few weeks, depending on your state. You may need to complete a short phone interview to confirm some of your details. If you're approved, you'll receive an EBT card in the mail. SNAP comes with unexpected benefits, too. Many states offer discounts at museums, state parks, and even reduced-cost Amazon Prime. You may also qualify for discounted internet or mobile phone plans through programs like Lifeline. These little perks can help you enjoy more while spending less, so don't miss out. In times of crisis, like natural disasters or public health emergencies, SNAP may offer extra support. These are called emergency allotments. Not every state participates, so it's a good idea to check your state's SNAP website for updates. Your EBT card is where your SNAP benefits are loaded every month, usually on a set date based on your case number. To keep getting benefits, most states require you to recertify every 6 or 12 months. Missed a renewal notice? You could lose your benefits temporarily, so check your mail, email, or online account regularly. Stay alert and respond quickly to keep your support uninterrupted. Some farmers markets offer double-up food bucks, where your EBT dollars are matched. That means more fruits and vegetables at no extra cost. Check your state's website or ask at the market if these bonuses are available near you. Your EBT card works like a debit card. At checkout, you'll swipe your card and enter your 4-digit PIN. The amount will be automatically deducted from your balance. SNAP renewal deadlines sneak up fast. Set a calendar reminder, sign up for email alerts if possible, and check your online account often. Staying on top of renewals helps avoid disruptions in benefits. You can check your SNAP balance using the toll-free number on the back of your card, your state's official EBT website, or the mobile app, if available. Keep your PIN safe and, if your card is lost or stolen, contact your EBT office right away to protect your benefits. SNAP can make a big difference, but it's important to use your benefits wisely. Start by making a meal plan for the week. Stick to a shopping list, buy in bulk when possible, and look for store deals or coupons. Buying fresh produce in season can stretch your dollars. If your household has high medical or utility bills, report them, they might boost your benefits. Let's say you get $200 a month. Don't spend it all at once. Break it down weekly, maybe $50 per week. Start with basics: rice, beans, pasta, canned veggies, frozen meat. That way, you won't run out before the month ends. If you or someone you know is struggling to afford groceries, SNAP could help. There's no shame in applying, these programs exist for a reason. Visit your state's official SNAP website to get started. Don't assume you won't qualify. Many people are surprised to learn they're eligible. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more guides on U.S. assistance programs. We're here to make these systems easier to understand and use. Got questions? Drop them in the comments.